Good morning, students. Let's continue our chapter birth. Students, we are at the page number 66. Page number 66, and the last paragraph of this page started here. His thoughts were heavy, muddled. It means he was very confused. Who is he? He is here. The Andrew Manson, the doctor. Episode he had witnessed at the Cardiff station till obeses him morbidly. He thought of the Bramwell foolishly devoted to a woman who deceived him sordidly. He's thinking about that almost all the women are same, as the Christine have really proved very bad to him. Of Edward Pace, bound to the shrewish blood vein of the Danny, living unhappily apart from his wife. His reason told him that all these marriages were dismal failure. It was a conclusion which, in his present state, made him wince. He's thinking that why he's thinking about all these relations with Christine, because most of the time there are so many examples in front of him that is indicate that all the marriages are nothing but a failure. He wished to consider marriage as an idyllic state. Yes, he could not otherwise consider it with the image of Christine before him. Her eyes, shining towards him, admitted no other conclusion. It was the conflict between his level, doubting mind and his overflowing heart, which left him resentful and confused. He let his chin sink upon his chest, stretched out his legs, stared broodingly into the fire. He was really in a very deep thought. He remained like this too so long, and his thoughts were so filled with Christine that he started when the old woman opposite suddenly addressed him. Her meditation had pursued a different course. When he was lost in his own thought, suddenly the woman was there. He addressed him, and he was overcome his thought and aware what's going on. Susan said not to give her the chloroform if it would harm the baby. She's awful set upon this child, Dr. Ba. Her old eyes warmed as a sudden thought. She added in a low tone, we all are, I fancy. Mr. Andrew is instructing the nurse that chloroform. Do you know what is the chloroform? It is a type of chemical that used to be used by the doctor just to make the patient unconscious. But too much chloroform might be harm the baby. That is the words of Andrew mentioned to the nurse. And her old eyes. What old eyes? The lady who was expecting to be the grandmother there, warm as a sudden thought, she added in a low tone, yeah, we all are, I fancy. He collected himself with an effort. Collected, it means to say he was lost somewhere. He was lost in his own thoughts. He was lost in the memories of Christine. So he collected, it means he collected all his strength, his wit, his experience, and everything. With an effort, it won't do any harm. The anesthetic, he said kindly, they will be all right. Anesthetic, it's another thing to make the patient unconscious. Here the nurse voice was heard calling from the top landing. Andrew glanced at the clock, which now showed 3:30. He rose and went up to the bedroom. He perceived that he might now begin his work. An hour elapsed. It was a long, harsh struggle. Then, as the first streaks of the dawn strayed past the broken edges of the blind, the child was born lifeless. After so much effort by the Andrew, nothing was happened. What happened there? The child who was born after 20 years from the marriage of the couple, he was born lifeless. as he gazed at the still form, a shiver of horror passed over Andrew. Shiver of horror because he was just proving that he was failed to fulfill the expectations of the father, mother, and the grandmother also. After all that he had promised, his face heated with his own exertion, chilled suddenly. He hesitated, torn between his desire to attempt to the rescuelate the child and his obligation towards the mother who was herself in a desperate state. What will happen then? Because the child who was born lifeless is nothing for the family. They all are expecting for a child who will give them a new life, a new smile, a new happiness. But Andrew is blank totally. What kind of effort he will make, student? What do you think this one? Either the child will be alive or it will a miracle, or what happened? We will read in our next part of the video. You just revise this chapter and we will continue tomorrow. Goodbye.